we have here a tool with 10 millimeter diameter, 3 flutes. Of course, we have like this. I let the door open in this case. And we can choose here different templates. Yeah? Sharp edge, chamfer, corner radius, ball nose, the same with a cone. We have here a drilling tool, sharp edge with chamfer. Similar quick assistance. Then we have rough cutter, robot loader, micro tools and so on. I go back and we choose a normal template. So this case I select here touch grind, diameter 10 we have. Jump for 45 degrees, yes. Length 0.3. Here you can say 25, shank diameter also 10, and this is also moving. If I make it here bigger, yeah. And I can say edge count 3, you see it's also changing. So that is the standard setting, automatic correction. Then I can choose here different measuring planes. Either I select this one or I said okay, diameter I want to have the chamfer angle, chamfer vertical. I want to have the clearance angle. I want to have the wag angle. And this one, for example, this and this, yes, should be enough. And then I said okay. Either I say automatically measurement or edit, depends. If I go there, I see the whole program. So I can change it also here, different measuring planes, it's also changing here. Like that, program and start. Here is the program. Here comes the result. Here is my
wahrscheinlich auch später hoch, klar, dann geht es für uns heute aber wahrscheinlich der Boden im Bauchberg über die Jahre beim Messen machen.
get a report. If I can go there back, and I can say here, for example, should be 10, tolerance minus 0.5. You see, it's like that. And if I go here to spiral, then I can choose here 45 minus 1 plus 1, and here 35 minus 1 plus 1. And we can back to the report. I can save it. Yes, save. You get a report like that. And if you want to modify anyway, you can go edit and say, maybe I want to measure something in the facet. Then you can choose here as well and say, okay, I want to have this as well. And I let it run here manual. So then I see here the top view. That's for the adjustment. And with that module, I will measure the other things. If you want, I can make here focusing, centering. That means I go here with the function. Focusing. It was already good, but to show how it works. Okay. So, and focusing. This is now the first clearance angle in the end phase. That means we will measure the clearance angle as well the dish angle. That means so.